Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abdul Karim and today is Ramadan. Today is one of the holy days of Ramadan. And today we'll be talking to you guys about acting as though Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is watching you. You know your Rabbul Alameen is in every instant in the universe. So wherever you be, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is watching you. So act as though there's eyes bearing down upon you and judging you. You know why? To keep you in line, to stop you from those tiny bad deeds that can spoil Ramadan. Remember that every good deed in Ramadan is multiplied. So act like your Rabbul Alameen is watching you. So remember, Ramadan is the holy month, so I urge each and every one of you, take every single opportunity this month has to offer. So thanks for watching. My name's S.A.W. Karim, and remember, you're Rabbul Alameen. And remember, come to goodness. So come to goodness.